Yeah, what's good? Solo, I'm back. Yeah, uh, man, I'm coming for the motherfucking King's crown. Niggas talking all that slick shit, move around. Cause if you don't, nigga, I'ma have to shut you down. Okay, motherfucker, why you running round? Talking all the trash, acting like you hella gutter. I'm a realist, nigga. You was nothing to my squad. Ghost line, baby. You keep on playing with me, I'ma have to regulate them. Regulate these niggas, leave them underneath the dirt. Okay, motherfucker, on my face is a smirk. Why the fuck is that? Because you hoes act like jerks. But at the same time, nigga, I'ma quickly murk. Pulling out them lyrical triggers. I ain't tripping on nothing they say, go figure. Now they know that I freestyle heavy. I ain't tripping on a motherfucking thing, I'm busting levies. You can call me that fucking brand new tsunami. Why the fuck is that? Because I laid that salami. Got your bad bitch on the side trying to down me. Take me to her bedroom, then she gon' clown me. That's just what it is when I'm in the midst of real. Ooh, nigga, you know I'm hella trill. And I ain't got no time for no bullshit. Niggas keep on playing with me, motherfucker. We gon' pull triggers. AK-47s aim right at you down. You keep on playing with me, bitch, and I'ma send your ass home. That's just how the fuck I'm feeling, nigga. You know just what it is. I'm a real nigga. I came to handle biz. Solo G, I fin this motherfucker reppin' what? The false tale, my nigga, you know we dangerous. So why the fuck is all you hoes talking shit to us, nigga? You ain't got it. Go ahead and try me, man. I swear to fucking God, I hit you with a shot it. Open up your chest plate, nigga. That's just what it is. You should've never test me. This the fucking intro, nigga. This my new intro, destruction intro, motherfucker. Don't you play with this dick,